They're just good at bailing, bro. That's the only thing they're good at in life.
Man, like, I feel like I hear your anger in the way you're pressing these tomatoes down.
So many tomatoes too. How much?
He got 2 of these. I don't know, like, how you gonna...
Look at all that.
Relax, Josh.
Alright. I think I could totally, like, upload this without even editing. Like, this would be perfect for my filler video.
You guys want some tomatoes?
No.
Alright. You guys want some bananas?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Are you gonna aggressively chop an onion?
Yeah.
I mean, like, as soon as he said, I'm gonna microwave nachos, I like almost like choked a little. But let's see how this goes. Alright, while you're doing that, see what the fuck this guy's doing here.
Just Korean, you know.
I drink tea. 오차 대 카페. 차네.
저는 차를
차를?
마셔요. There we go.
아, 그렇죠.
그렇죠. 다 대박.
그렇습니다.
Make real jalapenos.
No, do you like real jalapenos on your nachos or fake jalapenos?
What is a fake?
Yeah, what are fake
Like
jalapenos?
those, those sour ones.
Oh, like the pickled?
ones?
Yeah,
I'll take real jalapenos. If you have them.
I have real ones.
We got the real stuff, right?
Pickled ones are nice just because they're really easy.
Well, yeah. You know, extend shelf life.
Yeah, I can just keep them in my fridge forever.
Alright.
Damn, this is like I've never seen Jay done this level of cooking before. Like, this is beyond like what I've seen to date.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna let you cook. I should cook for you guys, man.
You should. I remember you made Maggi noodles once, and that was something else.
Or we'll cook something else or just something else. Do you guys want them circle or like chopped?
Doesn't matter.
Alright, let's see how this guy cuts. Like, this is when you know someone's legit. It's like how they cut stuff.
Yo, there ain't no competition.
I feel like this is a serrated knife too.
You're putting a massive oh, you're gonna feed it. I thought you were going to put like that.
This is like the extent of Jay's cooking. It's just like everything goes through this press.
It's just you can use it straight.
Look at this shit. It's like fucking double fisting.
Alright, is this enough?
Sounds
Sure.
good.
That's like so many cooking, man.
Oh fuck, you gotta have that shaking technique.
Yeah, but it's another brute force thing where you can just shake it really hard. And call it done.
Just gotta
Look at that shit.
done, right?
It's done. You gonna like put some color on that?
Okay, I don't think we need more chop.
Huh?
I don't think we need more chop.
No, you don't. That should compost.
Really?
Gotta make sure your stuff doesn't touch the compost. Rinse the plate.
안녕하세요. 당신
It's
이름은
please repeat.
이름은 something입니다.
Korea for
What's
cheese.
your name?
That's
Like
cheese.
one pack
That's
shredded
cheese.
nacho cheese.
That's how you get the gains.
Alright.
So this is what Boston Pizza does.
Yeah,
How do you
man,
open this? You need scissors?
Yeah, I think you need scissors.
what about these?
Not even resealable.
Yeah, it's okay, I'll pack it after. Alright. Cheese ghosts, and then vegetables, and then nachos, and then cheese, and then vegetables, and so on.
Oh, so you do a
Wow.
layer.
Tower of nachos.
You know, right?
Right?
Look at this. Some professional level shit.
Yeah, I almost would call this like beyond professional level.
Alright, this is your base level.
Base level.
So you're on a solid foundation, right?
Yeah,
Alright.
that's basic engineering right there.
Basic
right?
engineering, I like it. Some nice fucking solid / statics.
Yeah. Gotta make sure your force is evenly distributed.
You gotta be well mixed, right?
Well mixed. I don't know if mech deals with that kind of shit.
It's called homogeneous flow, bro.
Homogeneous flow.
Of nachos.
Alright.
It's all about being well mixed, man. Put them in your CSTR.
Oh my gosh, how did you open this?
Yeah, Josh kind of.
What do we do?
Something about this just doesn't like feel right to me. I don't know what it is. I think it must be the microwave.
Yeah, it would be the microwave. I'm like,
Okay.
don't you open that shit?
But it's okay.
Yeah.
We're here to learn from Jay today, not make judgments. And so we're just gonna watch and learn. So how many layers does it go up to?
This is how cooking evolves, man. You gotta try new shit, man.
Alright. Oh,
5-second rule. 3,
it's okay, man. They ain't.
2.
I'll eat it either.
Oh,
Okay,
Wow.
how high do you build the tower?
yeah. I was wondering how many
There
layers
ain't
would
no
you
limit.
do?
What if
Yo,
the
man.
people who built Eiffel Tower thought that?
Ain't no.
I'm pretty sure they
nacho
put a
mountain
limit on
high
that.
enough, bro.
I'm pretty sure they put a limit on Eiffel Tower. As soon as they started the base, it curved in and out, dude.
Depends on like how deep the foundation is too, right? Is that how
Oh.
it works? Nobody here's in civil, but you don't know. No, let's have some civil people.
I have a lot of friends in civil, but they're just not here. I think that's pretty high. Stuff is starting to fall over.
It's all good, man. This is what you want.
This is how we watch Casino Royale, bro. With the fucking
Alright.
pile of nachos.
In
Great, you're solid.
Of course, dude.
Good.
from minute 30, that's how it goes.
We got some more, you know.
Restarting the second batch as well.
I'm just gonna chop it up for the second batch and
Oh
then
shit!
So not
Not enough onions, yo.
Not enough onions.
this guy's on runs.
I know, right? It's like you wonder how Jay gets his volumes and volumes of vegetables. This is it. This fucking magic chopper. Only for 25.
That's the only thing. All Jay needs is the chopper and microwave.
Yeah, chopper microwave. You got it right there.
alright.
$25.99. But if you call today, we'll throw in an extra one for free. Only pay separate shipping and handling. And these are the guys here.
Just gotta wash some.
What is up with this knife?
Why?
Why is it so small?
Because it's a.
It's like an Asian person's dick. Sorry to say that, but that's how I would describe it. Nice. It's on the cheese. It's on the cheese. We got 15 seconds left. Things are looking pretty good. While that's going, Jay is still hacking away at the jalapenos.
Alright. Again, if you want to try it before I put it in again.
No, put
What?
it in again.
You
Put
putting
it
it
again.
all?
Melt it.
Melt the cheese?
Yeah.
Put it in again.
Alright. So we want to put it in for another minute and 30. So we're at 3 minutes. And Jay's still hacking away at this thing.
Done. Next time, the next lot, got my stuff ready. Time to clean up until then, you know.
Alright.
Clean as you go.
Clean as you go, exactly.
3 seconds early.
That's right. You gotta make that precise stop.
That
2 minutes and 57 seconds. That's where we want to be at,
that
folks.
2 second,
Exactly.
the 3 second difference, man, makes a
Right.
Oh yeah,
Josh,
2
lot of
seconds more and
difference.
they would have been ruined.
Peter,
Yeah.
try it up.
Peter, where's the salsa?
Oh my god.
This is the most important piece.
It makes a lot of difference in the temperature profile of this like nacho plate. So
Gotta just take this piece with like the most shit on there. Alright.
Alright. Here's the salsa. I have some more too, I think.
You know, it's not bad.
For a 5-minute job,
For a
like,
5-minute job, it's not bad. I mean, the vegetables could have been sauteed a little with some seasoning, but that's really extra. You know, for 5 minutes, this is pretty good.
I'll grab this or do you want me to
Sure.
minutes later?
Doesn't matter. That's fine.
Do you guys want to do the second lot after, or you know?
Yeah, I'm not that hungry, so.
I'll just clean this up.
here we can just